Hi, welcome to Solomon Holistic Solutions YouTube channel. Today, we're featuring the prop guards V2.0 for the Parrot Anafi USA. Now the design concept which we have designed the guards for are: number one, they are easy for transportation. Number two, it is light with minimum load on the USA. And number three, it is to protect the USA against any obstacles from the sides, the front, and from the top. The package of the prop guards come in an A4 size folder. I shall show you what comes with the package. Package comes with the base of the propeller guard, the adapter of the propeller guard, the front guards left and right, the back guards left and right, and a little Allen key to secure the adapter onto the prop guard base. First of all, we'll remove the base of the propeller guard and we put it onto the USA. Next, we'll bring the Velcro strap tightly over the USA and ensure that the base is tightly mounted on the top. What comes next is the adapter. Now the adapter comes with 4 thumb screws and a little screw at the top. Now this little screw at the top points to the front of the Anafi USA. Let's begin to mount the front right of the prop guards by loosening the thumb screws. We pick up the propeller guard that is of a certain angle, as you can see, because this will clear the camera pointing upwards from the Anafi USA. Next is the other side of the front propeller guards. Followed by the back. Do note that the horizontal portion of the guards face one another. Finally, the rear right. Once all the propeller guards are on the adapter, it's time to slide the adapter onto a track above the base. So you see the slot on the base and the track of the adapter. We will slot it in this way. Once we've slotted in and it is flush from the back, it is time to use the Allen key that is provided to screw into the base. Once this is done, we have completed the installation of the propeller guard onto the Anafi USA. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you know a friend who will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to meeting you in our next video.